Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to find the squares from 41 to 50. So this will be the easy method. First, I'm going to explain for the 41 square. So what we have to do for the 41 square, we already know 4 square is 16 and 1 square is 0, 1. So again, if we multiply 4 into 1, 4. 4 twos are 8. So we have to write 8 over here. If we add all this, we'll be getting 1681. This is the 41 square. So again, what we have to do, we have to find the square of 42. So what we have to do, 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4. So here, 4 twos are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So we have to write 16 over here, and if we add this, we'll be getting 1764. So this is the square of 42. Then what we have to do now, we have to do the square of 43. Again the same process, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 09. So again 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. If we add this, we'll be getting us 1849, which is the square of 43. Again for the 44, 4 square is 16 and 4 square is 16. Again 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are what? 32. So if we add this, 6 3 9 1, 1936 will be the 44 square. Next, what we have to do, we have to find the square of 45. So what we have to do now, 4 square is 16 and 2 square is 5 square is 25. Again 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. So 40, 2025. So for the 45 square, there is another method. So what we have to do, we have to do 5 square, that is 25. After 4, what will be getting 5? 5 4s are 20, 2025. This is also the other method. Again 46 square. What we have to do for the 46 square, 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36. And again 4 6 are 24, 24 2s are 48. So if we add this, 6, 8 plus 3 is 11, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 11, 2116. This is the 46 square. 47 square, same process. 4 square is 16, 7 square is 49, and again 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56. If we add all this, we'll be getting 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2209 is the 47 square. What we have to do now, we have to find the square of 48. So that is 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64. If we multiply this, 4 8s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Again, if we add all this, 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 plus 6 12, 13, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2304 is the 48 square. Again 49 square is 4 square is 16, 9 square is 81, and again 9 4s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So we have to add all this, then we'll be getting 2401. This is the 49 square. And finally 50 square. 50 square is easy. 5 square is 25, 0 square is 0 0. 50 square is 2500. These are the small tricks to find the squares from 41 to 50. In the next video, I'm going to upload how to find the squares for 51 to 60. I hope you people like this video. If you people like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.